Because of that, when your bloods, my cat, oh god, he's on another level. Breezer, will you please shut up? I'm trying to make a video and film a video. Please, I beg you. Hey my lovelies, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with yet another review video. So this video is all about this brand new product from Aminu brand. It is the AHA Power Peel and it's a chemical peel. So I'm going to tell you how to use it, what are the benefits of it, and what my review is about this product. So if you're interested to know about this product right here, then please keep on watching. So before starting this video, I'm going to tell you, please do not skip this video, because I will be explaining while applying the product, and after application as well. I will explain about the product, I will explain about its benefits and pros and cons, and the details about the product. So do not skip it, please watch properly and fully, and then you can get a proper and complete review about this product. So I'm going to talk about this Aminu brand AHA Power Peel product. So it's a chemical peel and it's an instant facial. So this product comes in this cardboard box. This is the outer packaging of this box, and it's like kind of matte and glossy. It feels smooth if I touch this cardboard. It is not like the ordinary cardboard. I really like this smooth finish of this cardboard box, and they have written exfoliate plus detox, and they have mentioned what the mask does on the cardboard box, and the name and the graphic of the lady. I really like it. I like the packaging. So if I talk about the packaging, this has a plastic lid and this glass, matte finished glass jar, and if I open it, then there's obviously gonna be a seal. So if I open the seal, the peel gel mask is like, it's the peel off thing. It's a gel consistency. It's not like a serum or anything. It's very slimy jelly. Oh fuck. Oh, whenever I smell this product, I usually like to smell skincare products, but this particular product, it literally smells like acid. But definitely it's gonna be a chemical peel, so definitely it's gonna smell like little chemical, but that is not really appealing. That's the only one thing I don't like about this product. Other than that, this product is really good. So, and this also comes with a spatula. Mine is broken. You can see I have a broken chip right here. So mine was broken, but this is still manageable. I can scoop out. It's the plastic, again matte finished spatula, which is useful to, you don't need to dunk your fingers or hands in the tub. You just have to take a scoop and then just put it on your skin, and then with your fingertips, you can just apply. And I would suggest you to avoid the mouth area, like your lips and your eyes. Just avoid that because it is a strong product. So the area around our eyes and our lips are very sensitive and they are very delicate. So you do not want to harm your skin or lips or eyes. So just avoid that area. Apply it with like a very thin layer, and I like to drag it down a little bit. So yeah, you should use it and then wait for like 8 minutes or 10 minutes, and then you should rinse it off with normal temperature water, and you should really rinse it like really nicely. You do not want to leave any residue of this product on your face. So this product is AHA Power Peel, which is the instant facial. AHA means alpha hydroxy acid, and it has pure glycolic acid. So this product is 50 gram and it is of 2,200 rupees, which is a bit of expensive side. It is a luxurious brand product, so that is fine. But this brand is completely cruelty free. It is vegan. It has no parabens. It has no synthetic fragrances. It has no harsh chemicals. And it has not even it doesn't have microplastic, and it doesn't have any sulfate or petrochemicals, so it is completely safe to use. And this product will rejuvenate your skin, remove suntan. It is an anti-aging product, so it will remove your fine lines as well. And it can even give you even tone. It can reduce your pores and it can reduce your acne. So this is gonna be amazing if this product works for you. Again, I'm gonna tell you, please do a patch test before using this product because it's a chemical peel and it will not suit everybody. It is suitable for all skin type, like combination dry, oily, all skin type. But still, if you have very sensitive skin, then it is not for you. I have very sensitive skin, but this worked for me. So if you give it a try, do a patch test, and if it works for you, then it is very good product. And if you have active acne, then please do not use this product, and do not go directly in sunlight after using this product. It is gonna give you sunburn. There are possibilities if you go directly in sunlight after using this product, then there are possibilities it can give you sunburn. So always use this product at night time because you get a lot of time to rest your skin. And then if you want to go out in sunlight, if you have some work, then please use SPF sunscreen, a nice amount of it on your face. That can, give a barrier in sun rays and your new soft baby soft skin. And also it can give you a little bit of tingling, it can give you a little bit of burning, it can give you a little bit of redness after washing this. So it is normal. The blood circulation works under your skin and the blood cells start working. So whatever this product claims to do, if it is happening, then it means the product is working for you. So do not worry about that. You might get a little bit of sensitivity, like more sensitivity if you have sensitive skin. After using this product, you have to use this product only twice a week. And after 2 to 3 usage, you can see there is a visible result of fine lines. They reduce your fine lines, they reduce your pores, you have less acne, you have nice even toned skin. And if you do not even have sunburn or suntan, if you have suntan patches, that also it reduces after 2 to 3 uses. You can see a visible result. If you use this for a longer time, then definitely this product is going to do wonders to your skin. So if you do not have very sensitive skin, please do give it a try to this product. So if you can see, I have little redness over here and over here, and you can see I have acne prone skin, but I do not have any active acne. That's why I use this product. And this product I have tried before as well, so I got this redness after using this, but it went away in few hours. So which is normal. If you have sensitive skin, this is gonna come if you use any chemical peel, not just this brand. So I always and whenever I do my nighttime skincare routine, I always use a nice amount of moisturizer and I always apply it on my skin. So when you use this product, you wanna use a nice amount of moisturizer on your face. So if you could tell, I have a little bit of glow on my face. You can see if it is visible on the camera, and you can definitely see I have acne, and I have gotten little bit of redness around that area and over here because I have sensitive skin. But it is not bad. Even if you don't have sensitive skin, it can give you a redness because it's a chemical peel. It goes deep down under your skin and remove all the gunk and the dead skin layer which you have on your face. So that's why the redness. And even if when you get a wound and you get a baby soft skin, there is a redness, right? So it gives you baby soft skin, a new skin. It peels out and peels off your old dull skin layer. So that is why the redness is there. It is not at all any problematic thing for your skin. So yeah, I have given all the links of purchase of this particular product. So if you want to purchase this product, then please go and check out my description box. You can check the link and you can buy it from there. So that's it for today's video. If you like this review and if you like my video, then please give me a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं किया है तो please subscribe to my channel and support me grow. And I will see you next time in my next video. Till the time, bye. Stay safe.